Hello everybody and welcome back to Wise Words Wednesdays with Rev Deb. This is week 49. It is book 3 and the last lesson, number 14. The next couple of weeks I'll just finish out the year with things that I would like to chat to you about. But this week's lesson is step by step to be good life. Okay? Some people, I think we talked about this way in the beginning, feel like suffering is necessary. It is not necessary. It is not required. You do not need to suffer in this life. Being human is enough suffering, right? You're not energy and out there right now. You're in physical. You got this meat suit on. So it's really important to remember that patience is the cornerstone of love. And you know, I've been learning patience all my life. I'm not sure I got there yet. You never do know. I might get there in the end. It's hard for me to be patient. I want things now, right? But what you do as a minister is you want to help people to see their good. You want to encourage them to discover their own truths so that they can move upwards and onwards into the beautiful life that they have and deserve. And you know, my church is called Faith in Truth, and we will be doing Zooms at the end of this year. I'll tell you all at the last week probably of when we're going to start and the time, so you can kind of block that out. I kind of want to make it sometime that's sort of in the daytime, but I know people are busy working, different time zones, so I might record it. I don't think so. I don't know. We'll see if there's something useful that I might just get snippets out of so that people can get the summary if they miss it. But anyway, so it's important at this very late stage in the year, week 49, if you have not tapped into your truth and to figure out what is right for you, then please, I'm asking you to take some time this week to go inward, to see what feels right for you. I know that all the religions that I've been involved in weren't right for me. I've talked about why I felt this is not the way I want to be in the world. I've talked about things that have worked for me. I'm different than everybody else, as you are. And I would love for you to share some things that are uniquely yours. What did you feel? How do you tap into source? What makes you feel the best you can be so that you can present yourself to the universe and to the people around you and share your gifts? I would love to know. But remember, faith in truth. Have faith in your truth. Don't listen to anybody else, the TV, your mom, the radio, your partner. No. Only you know you. And that's why you can't ever really know anybody, no matter how many years you've been happily married or together or child, right? Parent relationship. I mean, I'm going to be 60 soon. And, you know, I really don't know my parents. I only know the part of my parents that I see when I'm with them. And so just remember to give loving kindness to all that you meet, because you never know what's going on, and try your best to connect to source so that there's something there for you, because when everybody's gone and you have that moment of solitude forever or for a moment, there's only you and source. So make sure that you have time for yourself. Now remember, life, I am loving every minute of it. Love is the answer. And we are raising money for unhoused people. At the end, there's Venmo, Cash App, and PayPal. If you want to donate, that would be awesome. And I will tell you the grand total in a few weeks. So, love you all, and I'll see you next week.